Welcome back to Marie's Meditations. Well, in this case, it's not a meditation, it's a morning activation. Every time you listen to this, you are going to feel charged, unstoppable, and ready to take on anything. Let's keep the glow alive and listen to this every day for 21 days and see how you feel every single morning. Powerful, electric, unforgettable. It's not a meditation, it's an activation. Be ready to take on the world. Let's start. This glow 5-minute power awakening is a meditation that fuels your morning like sunlight breaking through the horizon. Wake up, not just physically, wake up to your energy, your power, your glow. Take a deep breath in, not just a breath, an activation. Feel the oxygen surge into your body. Hold it. Breathe in deeply. Feel it expand in your chest, like golden light filling every corner of your being. Hold and exhale. You're not just waking up, you're igniting. There is something inside of you that the world has not yet seen in full force. Today that changes. Close your eyes. In the center of your chest there is a glow, a golden pulsing energy waiting to rise. With every inhale, it expands. With every exhale, it releases anything holding you back. Inhale, brighter. Exhale, lighter. Inhale, stronger. Exhale, freer. Feel your energy charging, your glow intensifying, your entire body vibrating with possibility. You are no longer a spectator in your own life. You are the creator, the force, the light. Now, listen closely. This day is yours. It's not random. It's not routine. It is an open canvas. And you are the artist. It's a stage, and you are the main act. It's a battlefield, and you are the warrior, not fighting others, but rising above yourself, your old self. You walk with confidence. You speak with purpose. You attract abundance. Because you don't just exist, you glow. Now let's step into this day. I want you to take one final deep breath in. Hold it at the top. And feel the fire, the clarity, the force within you. You are limitless. Now exhale, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Step forward, step boldly, step into your glow. The world is waiting for you. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.